As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at two Charbroil grills here. The Grill2Go X200, BOOB-FPMLI8, and the Performance Series 5-burner, B08T4P934J. Big difference in size, right?
Definitely. The Grill2Go is a portable tabletop grill, while the Performance Series is a full-sized cabinet grill. Think tailgating versus backyard barbecue.
Okay, makes sense. The Grill2Go has a 200 square inch cooking surface, and the Performance Series boasts a much larger 495 square inches. That's a huge jump.
Yeah, you can cook for a whole crowd on the Performance Series. It can handle around 24 burgers at once. The Grill2Go is better for a smaller group, maybe 8 burgers.
What about heat? I see the Grill2Go has a 9,500 BTU burner, but the Performance Series has, 47,500 BTUs total?
Correct. The Performance Series has 5 burners, putting out a total of 37,500 BTUs, plus a 10,000 BTU side burner for sauces or sides. It's got way more power.
The Grill2Go uses a small propane tank, right? And the big one takes a standard 20-pounder?
Exactly. The Grill2Go is designed for those small disposable propane cylinders, making it super convenient for camping. The Performance Series needs a full-size tank.
What about the grates? Are they the same material?
Nope. The Grill2Go has stainless steel grates, while the Performance Series uses porcelain-coated cast iron. The cast iron is great for heat retention and those nice sear marks, but stainless steel is easy to clean.
Ah, okay, and it looks like the Performance Series has electronic ignition, which is nice. The Grill2Go just has a push-button igniter.
Yep, electronic ignition makes starting the Performance Series a breeze. And it's got a temperature gauge on the lid, which the Grill2Go also has.
Portability is a big deal for me. The Grill2Go is only 20 pounds, but the Performance Series is a whopping 96.8 pounds.
Right, the Grill2Go is designed to be carried around easily with its handles. The Performance Series has wheels, but it's definitely not something you'd want to lug around.
Seems like they're built for totally different purposes. One's for serious grilling at home, and the other is for taking the grilling experience on the road.
Precisely. It all depends on what you need.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.